about how can you fix this problem on your Funny Prank Sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Funny Prank Sounds app, or just click on search. Then here add Funny Prank Sounds, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for Funny Prank Sounds. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by